Chapter 10. The Gift of Empathy. Empathy is about finding echoes of another person in yourself. Mohsin Hamid. Connecting Hearts. Mohsin Hamid's poignant words remind us that empathy is a profound act of connecting with others on a heart-to-heart level. In this chapter, we explore the gift of empathy and how it fosters understanding, compassion, and unity among individuals and communities. Stepping into others' shoes. Empathy is the ability to step into someone else's shoes and understand their emotions, experiences, and perspectives. By setting aside our judgments and biases, we open ourselves up to truly listen and connect with others on a deeper level. Cultivating compassion. Empathy is a catalyst for compassion. When we empathize with others, we recognize their humanity and shared vulnerabilities. This awareness fosters a sense of compassion and a genuine desire to alleviate their suffering. Nurturing relationships. Empathy strengthens relationships by creating a safe space for open communication and emotional support. When we practice empathy, we validate others' feelings and experiences, building trust and fostering meaningful connections. Lesson learned. Practice. Choose a conversation with someone close to you or a colleague where you can practice empathy. Listen attentively without interrupting and try to understand their emotions and underlying needs. Respond with empathy and kindness, validating their feelings and offering support if needed. In conclusion, Mohsin Hamid's wisdom highlights the significance of empathy in building bridges between hearts. Through empathy, we connect with others on a profound level, fostering compassion, understanding, and unity. As we embrace the gift of empathy, we create a world where compassion becomes the guiding force, enriching our relationships and fostering a sense of shared humanity.